What if you were able to grow your account by 200% in 7 days? That is what we have seen with GoldSURGE in the past 7 days. This account is the signal account that is on MQL5, and all of these trades are public for you to see. This account did start with $10 and grew 200% in 7 days. However, if you were financially irresponsible and decided to fund an account with $100 or even $1,000 running at the exact same risk as the signal account, you would have tripled your account. So if it was $100, you would now have $300. If you had $1,000, you would now have $3,000. However, I cannot recommend that you do that, but it is very possible. If you are new and you do not know what GoldSURGE is, first of all, go and join our community on MQL5. That is where you will know about everything that I work on and are able to communicate with the rest of the community. But as for GoldSURGE, it is a trading algorithm or a trading EA that essentially does the trading for you. And in this case has managed to grow this particular account by 200%. In 1 week, we can have a look at the start date, which is the 19th, and today is the 26th, literally 7 days. I expect to see a very similar win rate well into the future. Being part of the community allows you to know what things will cost, when it'll launch, what the updates are, what the roadmap is, what my plans are, especially in the future with existing systems. If something is struggling, what my plans are to improve on that. This is currently available on MQL5 for $75. However, by Monday, the price will increase again. So if you don't have it, you can always pick it up later. It's just going to cost more money. Is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. If you have the means, you can see this as an investment. You can make all of your money back and even more depending on your deposit, depending on your risk profile. And I would recommend you be responsible by doing that. Do not try and replicate what I'm doing. I understand the system and I know what I'm signing up for. If this account does get ruined, I'm not losing a lot of money. I will never do this with a larger amount of money. However, if you do set up your risk correctly, you're going to be making money for a very long time. And for that reason, the price will be increasing rather rapidly because we don't want to oversaturate too many people doing exactly the same thing, because this will hurt our prop accounts as well. And just as an example, this is it running on a 100,000 FTMO account. This is running at 1% risk. I do not expect to see anything beyond maybe an 8 to 9% drawdown at 1% risk, although I'm just trying to pass the challenge phases. After that, I will scale things down because there's no need to rush. Making anywhere from 2 to 5% monthly on a $100,000 account is plenty of money for me. I just quickly wanted to cover that. If you don't have it, link down below. Go and join the community or don't. That's all up to you. Depends if you want to know what's going on. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.